All right. I did it, y'all. Paul Chin Jr. here. I digitized the kids' sandcastle from the beach trip over the weekend, and now I can render it in real time. Took a photo scan with polycam and then brought it into Unreal Engine, added some collision detection to it so the character could run around, and it just came with a sun. And what's really cool is the sun actually wraps around this geometry here pretty well. Like if I stand over here, you can see how it kind of moves along the ridges there, and I can walk in and over and out. And then there's another thing here, a big old hole. Susie built up this drippy tower thing. Yeah, thought it was pretty rad. Um, Took everything with my iPhone and then brought it into Unreal, cleaned it up. So yeah, that's it.